Greetings and blessings. Thank you so much for joining Master Chef Nana Kitchen Lab for more flavor and seasoned recipes. Today we are making my spicy garlic chicken sandwich with my chili rub fries. So let's get started. Alright, we're going to start with our fries. We're not going to season them until they come out of the deep fryer. We have our seasoning blend right here, and all the ingredients and measurements will be in the link description box below. You already know how we do. So let's get started. You're going to fry your french fries for about 5 to 7 minutes, depending on your deep fryer. Mine's cooked really quick and fried really hard, so I got to cook mine for like 5 minutes. Alright. Fries, we're going to put them in our bowl here. Off. I'm just going to take my seasoning mixture here and put it in here. Lid on. And coat all the fries. And there you have it.
Boom, nada.
Them good.
Oh, that's delicious.
Let's start our chicken. Alright, we're going to get our breading ready for our chicken. Now, we're not going to season our chicken thighs neither. We're just going to put them in our mixture of our seasoning mix when they come out of the fryer. Like we did our fries. And then for that crispiness, we're going to put some cornstarch in here with it. This is just for crispiness. Get it crispy to hold that sauce. Throw a little black pepper in here. Just take your chicken thigh or your chicken breast, you can use either or, and coat it. Make sure it's fully coated. And just coat your chicken. Take excess flour off. These only need to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. I like mine tender. I don't like them cooking long. We're going to toast our bread under the broiler. So, just get the inside of it, lightly butter it. And I keep my butter sitting out, that's why it's soft. And just repeat the process. Okay, we're going to put these in the oven under the broiler for about 2 to 3 minutes until they get nice and kind of brown. Alright, the chicken is done. And it just looks pale like that for mine because this is no grease. And I got my seasoning mixture. And this, I will put a link in the description box below for this. I've already made this recipe with some chicken, so you guys will have that. And I'm just going to put the chicken in here and mix it up. Get a fork. Just get all the sauce on it, get it real saucy.
The sauce is the boss.
This sauce is so good, you guys. You're going to love it. And just repeat it without the chicken. Put your cheese up there. And put it back in the oven until it's fully melted. And we're going to just put our ranch up here.
Wait a minute, the camera blurry.
Alright, sorry about that, guys. So you're going to just put your ranch on here, on your bread. And I want to say something to you guys that I meant to say earlier in the video. When you're making your sauce that your chicken is going into, make sure you adjust the seasonings, because the original video for that, the original recipe for those chicken, the garlic, spicy garlic chicken, it's more chicken wings. It's like 16 to 20 chicken wings. So this is just 3 chicken thighs. So you want to adjust your seasoning to your taste with these chicken thighs. And just put your ranch. And if you want, sometimes I mix my ranch with some sour cream to kind of cool everything down. It's not a hot recipe, but just kind of tone the spices out. And there you have it. I'll taste and see. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you haven't already. And let me know what I can make next. And tag me on social media when you make my recipes. Thank you. Blessings. Appreciate you guys.